So this is the Fuentepark Apartments where we're staying for the week. So I'm going to do your full walk around, just show you the layout. I'm going to walk around the grounds just to show you it's quite small and compact but very secure in a perfect location. Then I'll just show you the strip where all the action is at night, and then I'll show you the room. Hi everyone, we're at the Fuentepark Apartments. I'm going to show you number 69, which is our room for our stay. So as we'll walk in, we're on the ground level. Class as a ground level this. So the first thing I'll show you is the bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, so it's two twins pushed together. Very wide though. You got plenty of cupboard space, although one thing I would note is the furniture is quite old in here. It could do with modernising. You do have safe in your room, but you need to go and speak to reception and request a key. So back out the room. Can't show you in the shower at the moment. So in the living room, so you have to excuse the mess, but we have twin beds, which is the sofa basically. Two sofa beds because obviously we've got two kids stopping with us, but if you didn't have the two kids, it'd be a lovely little sofa area. Got a small TV that's only got a couple of English channels and German channels and Spanish channels, I do believe. I've watched Formula 1. Well, bits of it anyway, that were on RTL, so that was good. So cupboard there, as you can see. You have a dining table, which does come with 3 chairs, I do believe. And then if you come into the kitchen, we've got an oven, which takes an age to heat up, but does actually get hot once it does heat up. A massive fridge freezer, so that's probably a bonus for this place. You've got a massive fridge and then quite a small fridge freezer unit, but enough for a holiday. And then obviously you've got your cabinets, which again are quite old. A slight problem with this one, that it had a bit of a whiff to it. We don't know why, but we've cleaned it the best we can. But yeah. Overall, I mean, the oven's clean, the microwave's clean. You know, you get a coffee machine as well if you want to make coffee. You get a toaster and a kettle. I'm sure you've seen other people do reviews of this place as well. The shower, in this block particularly, really good. Not had a problem, personally for us, we've not had a problem with heat. It stayed consistent. It's been pretty hot and pretty cool if you want it cool as well. And I'll show you the balcony. For us, this is probably the greatest view, but when you've got 2 adults and 2 children, it's not that big. Got to admit, it's a very small balcony. But you get a table and 2 chairs on this one. The 2 other chairs are from inside, and then your washing line. Also, finally, to point out, we do have an aircon unit as well in here. That has been getting ridiculously noisy, but only for like a short while, and then it's fine again. So as you can see now, it's fine. It's not making any noise, and it does cool the room down. Alright, so last room that the wife's just been in. So you've got the toilet. I'll show you that. So yeah, just a normal toilet. They give you plenty of toilet rolls as well, and then you've got a shower cubicle. I'll say it's been pretty good, this shower actually. I've been pretty impressed with it. So I could do the walk with me Tim test. How many people can you get in the shower? You could probably get 2 to 3 people in there, but why would you want 2 to 3 people in there? One person is enough. Thank you very much. So that's it. Yep. thank you very much for watching. I hope that has helped you just see what it is. So yeah, it's basic. It's very basic, but it's cheap. You know, to come here. We've come here for 2 weeks and it is cheap. And even with its flaws, we've enjoyed spending time here and around the pool. Great place if you want a cheap holiday to this beautiful island. Alright folks, so starting from reception, I'm going to take you for a little walk around the Fuentepark Apartments. So the first thing to note when you're here is we have a spa that does beauty and massage, which is down the stairs. Right, so let's have a little walk around. So as we are walking around this little area, I can show you how these apartments are laid out. These ground floor ones are quite spacious, so no matter where you are, you've got good access to the pool area, and in most cases your rooms are, well, all the cases I think your rooms are facing the pool area, bar the ones that are in the corner. But the well maintained little grounds, all the lovely flowers scattered around everywhere. So I was walking along here. So I've already explained to you that that's the snack bar down there. So they do 2 for 1 during this month of August at least, on beers from 3 till 4 during their happy hour, which is well worth it. Morning, you alright? Good. So as we come along to this corner, I'll show you the block as we're going around. Now, someone's got a Man City flag on there. Oh dear, that does ruin it. Joking folks, joking. There's also a Hull FC one up there as well. But the creme de la creme is the Forest one that's down there. So yeah, there is some from Nottingham here. So you could end up with one of the apartments in this corner here, which I think is pretty good actually. And I think the Barcelo is just over the other side there. Right, so spin it round. So we've got ours in this block here, in the middle, we're bang in the middle. And like I say, the ground floor's got the spa, as you can see. Yeah, there's really not a lot to these apartments. They are quite basic, and I will show you inside there in a moment. But having a good walk around really does help give you some idea. And then you've got the other way down to the pool. So there is a lot of private, a quieter area down there in the bottom corner. And then you've got quite a small little reception area here. And then if I show you the corner here, it's well secured, this place. I'll show you the area there. You've then got the entrance, which has got access for disability on both sides and then steps in the middle. So we'll walk through now and then go out to the main street and I'll show you the front. So we came down when it was a lot warmer yesterday. So I'm gonna walk you down now and then just quickly show you this. This is in the morning, so we are at 10:45 in the morning. But what's amazing is, folks, is this strip in August is extremely busy. Yet when you're in the apartments, you can, honestly, and in the grounds, you can hear nothing. You can't. It's like you're not even on the same place. I swear, it's. If you want a perfect location in town, I don't think you're going to find somewhere more perfect. I think if you're looking for a place to stay, it's a perfect spot. There is a couple of other hotels that's quite in the vicinity. Hi folks, so while we're here at the Fuentepark Apartments, I've already given you a really decent look around. I'm just going to show you the pool's really quiet, so it's a good time to take you around and show you the pool area again. I think it's worth doing this now. It's fairly quiet. It really is quiet this morning. So it's 1.8 at its deepest. Is it quite cool? Is it quite cool? Is it cool this morning? So obviously this is the beach bar area. As you can see, you can have a little sit down here. These have nice cushions on them during the day. They do have different slushes here. I think I've already showed you, you've got a pool table. It's €1 a go on the pool table, and kids are allowed to use it. But yeah, this is the pool this morning. It's quiet, there's literally no one in yet, that's why. Very quiet today. Hardly anyone on the sunbeds. So yeah, if you're thinking of staying here, think I've said it more than once. It's a nice little complex. Nice little complex indeed. It's all in this little square basically. You wouldn't think we're literally in the town. You just would not think it is so quiet. Careful, Jasmine. So yeah, that's about everything shown. So as you can see, if you time it right and you get the right day, it's lovely. I'll pan around and show you. Referring to cultures, someone's asked me, what's the mixture like here? Well, I would say mostly British, Irish and Spanish. There's a lot of Spanish here this week. So yeah, thoroughly recommend it. The apartment blocks are run down. There is the odd cockroach around, but there's spray in your rooms, so you can spray them if you do see one. We've seen 2 in 10 days. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video of the Fuentepark Apartments. And yeah, you should consider booking here. You should consider it because it is a good price. Staff are very friendly. You've got a really good happy hour, and it's in a great location, as you can see. And we're still in school holidays, and this is how quiet it is. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. So I should point out that the prices in the happy hour are buy one get one free. So when I say $3.50, you're actually getting 2 large beers for $3.50, and you're getting 2 sangrias for €5. I think the slushy prices are quite expensive, but everything else is reasonably priced. They do snacks here at the snack bar as well, so you can have a nice portion of chips or chicken nuggets or a burger or something like that as well. So yeah, definitely recommend the snack bar, and the staff and owners of it are absolutely fantastic. Thank you to the gold members of the channel for your support as always, and I hope you enjoyed watching this upload. Please remember to check out the playlist, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you and goodbye.